What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Shane and welcome to another episode here on 5-Star Cars. It is Comment Sunday. Today is the day where I just read your comments from throughout the week. There isn't that many this week either, because obviously we're such a small channel. But if you want to get involved, guys, and need to read out your comments below, do smash the subscribe button and get commenting when my videos are released next week. Hit the bell notification. We're a discussion channel, and please, by God, we can get a project car by the summer as well. So yeah, we'll just jump into today's video. I won't mess around and fuck around too long for it. My most recent video was about, Stradman, if he's possibly going to be selling the Bugatti. Now, there wasn't really a comment on that. It was just basically Red50. Thank you, Red50. Great channel if you're looking for Mustang content. He's a GT, guys. It's a small channel. Definitely go check him out if you're looking for some Mustang content. Now, if anybody can comment below and let me know if they did listen to James's stereo podcast with Burlacker and what he said about selling the Bugatti. I basically tried to skip through it today myself to try and hear what was going on, but I didn't have enough time. If somebody can enlighten me and let me know what was said, it would be great. And what your opinions are about him thinking about selling the Bugatti as well. Again, guys, I don't know why he's doing it. If it's something he wants to do as an upgrade, or if he really is selling it, let me know in the comments below, because I'm very interested to hear. If I find out by tomorrow, look, I'll cover it in tomorrow's video as well. So that video, guys, it is what it is. So next up was the McLaren 720S versus the 765 LT from Hennessy Performance. I don't think there was any comments on this, was there? Oh yeah, Sports and Touring, Anthony. Yes, so guys, if you're looking for some great RA content or some 370 Nismo content, head over to Sports and Touring's channel. Definitely check him out. Like his latest video on the on the transmissions of the R8s is brilliant. So like the editing and shooting of it is great, and some very good information on the different gens of R8s and the gearboxes. I really found that a great video to watch. As for the video itself, yeah, guys, look, I mean, I haven't seen Drag Time's video yet about the SF90 up against the 765 LT. I just haven't gotten around to watching it. I'll watch it later. But by Hennessy Performance video, it looked like it pretty much trashed the 720S, it just shows how ridiculously quick the 765 LT is. It's definitely, I think, going to be one of the YouTuber cars fads that a lot of YouTubers would get. Maybe Street Speed 717, Royalty, I think are getting one, maybe DD, and a few others. The SF90 will probably be up there as well, and obviously next year Tesla Roadster, I think, is another big one that YouTubers will go for as well. But let me know, guys, what you thought if you watched it. And obviously the Triple F Connection are just released how many new purchases of supercars and hypercars they're buying, which is insane as well, just absolutely bonkers. What's there? Okay, so this video that I made was Ice Cream basically making a video saying that Vehicle Versions car is being his Lamborghini is being repossessed. I wouldn't be surprised if the Ferrari was repossessed as well. Vehicle Versions is always a great topic to cover, because we've no idea what he's going to come out with his next video. Comments here, was quite a good few comments on this one. Big Dante, great video, brother. I wasn't even paying attention to the license plates, but I did the same thing as plates are not registered. I give it a go, guys. Nothing was coming up for me either, so I'm not too sure what's going on with the Lamborghini as well. Jason Paulson, that might be why Parker is now desperate to come back to YouTube, because money is getting low. Yeah, I think he's probably in maybe a financial difficulty. I'm not too sure. I doubt he's stupid enough to not be broke because he has a house to pay for. But But I feel to resurrect his channel, he's need to go back doing these cars, modifying them and just try and get his views back up. But I think it'll be his last chance. He's got to roll the dice in this one, or he's really is. I think he's literally fucked if he doesn't come back after this one, because he simply just got to give up. But I agree with Jason on that one as well. Jeremy Prepway. Now we got one tabloid commenting on another tabloid commenting on a news channel. So look guys, as I said before, I'm just tossing opinions on that news. I do watch a Life of Palos channel the odd time. I will give a reaction video to basically what he says. I'm not there to try and get the story first. I just want to discuss with you guys in the comments what you think about what happens. That's basically all I'm here to do, and obviously modify cars as well. I'm not trying to get exclusives or nothing like that, and I want to turn it into a podcast and bring other car channels on. By the way, I did the podcast with Life of ME about organic. That will be coming out soon as well. But yeah, I just say just look guys, and just a discussion channel as well. Let's see. I liked Palos a lot more before he started clinging to the whole Beard Nation thing. Guys, he's either like Palos, you're either not going to like him, you're going to hate him, or you're just like me, you just watch just to see what's kind of going on. And some people aren't. Some people really don't like his gimmick with the whole beard thing and stuff like that. I mean, look, at the end of the day, it's his own thing. I know he covers Stradman, DD, and now it's Whistling Diesel because they're the ones that are going to get him the views. I do cover them a lot myself, but I do try and avoid to fall into that whole kind of having to have them in my title all the time. I really do try my best, but they are sometimes the biggest channels. You just got to cover what they're doing. It's just the way it is on YouTube sometimes. One life to live. I need subtitles. Yeah, guys, look, I can't help it. When I make these videos, it's whatever. I'm like, there's no pre-recorded, nothing like that. What I'm saying to you right now is whatever comes to my head. And when I am trying to think of something coming up, I sometimes talk a bit too fast or I mumble. It's by accident. Unfortunately, being Irish, if you can't understand me, it's the best I can do. I apologise. So, I must try and sort out subtitles, but I don't think they'll pick up my accent on what I say either, unfortunately. Victor Garcia, this is a good video, thank you. And Jeremy Prepway, we should team up with Mr. Organic. Vehicle Versions should team up with Mr. Organic and have a watched of Tubers podcast. That would be quite hilarious. But yeah, guys, let me know in the comments below what you thought of that one as well. What's going on with all that kind of stuff. We'll have to wait and see what happens with Vehicle Versions. His next video is going to get so many views because people are going to see what he's going to do or what he's going to happen. So yeah, it's going to be an interesting one indeed. I think this one was, what did we do? Oh yeah, the Rock Jake Paul's 900 brake horsepower Hurricane, which is an absolute beast, but I don't think I had any comments on it. Oh, West Coast Turbo's actually commented on it. Another regular good guy that comments on my videos. Live Palos didn't mention DD vlog on DD Damon's birthday, but had all Strad headlines and thumbnail. Biased. He's a big DD supporter, as you know. Yes, I did cover DD that day. I completely forgot to mention it was Damon's birthday, to say happy birthday. That was my bad. I literally had it in my head to say it, and I completely forgot about it. Again, guys, when you're thinking of trying to say it to you on camera all the time, you have it in your mind and you have it written down somewhere, and you just completely forget to actually check it as well. It's just one of those things. It happens, and we'll see if there's any comments under my comment video from last Sunday. I don't know if there is. I tell Tilly, thank you very much. This is a lovely comment. This is why I love this channel. Can't wait for a podcast. Again, guys, I say because I'm so small, it does take time for me to get other car channels on here. As I said, I did the one with Life of ME yesterday. And I thought I was going to record a split screen, and with my editor we have this plan of how we're going to make it, but when I recorded it through WebEx, it ended up recording his full screen, and because we spent 40 minutes on it, I'm just going to release it the way it is. But I figured out now to use OBS to actually record split screens when I'm on when I'm doing these podcasts, so it'll be a lot better going forward as well. And Delta Dandy, could you switch it to dark? Oh yes, so guys, yeah, I think what you meant was when I'm bringing these videos up, it's a lot easier for you to see, which I figured out as well. So hopefully you can read it, and it's a big improvement from the last time as well. So yeah, that's that one. What else we cover? I think I'm just going to check out Stradman's channel quickly, because I know he's been getting a lot of hate on Instagram for covering Jeffree Star's Pink Cullinan. Now, as much as we don't like, a lot of people don't like the car and the colour, or probably Jeffree Star themselves, that's all well and good, but you got to think of it from James's perspective. It's getting him views at the end of the day, or getting him new subscribers from Jeffree possibly, because the hate on his Instagram posts were a lot more than I think inside here. See if there's any interesting comments. Can we have a moment to appreciate it? Blah blah blah. Some of these comments. Let's see here. I just want to make that's about who works. Motion. True auction line. Yeah, he doesn't look like he's gotten any bad comments underneath this video. I just want to see here if there is any. He's back here. Bye bye. Yeah, I mean, it's so the commenting on YouTube is so different compared to Instagram. It really does. I think because Instagram, if you hashtag stuff, it comes from people that probably don't follow, maybe not James on YouTube, so the comments are a lot more harsh. So yeah, I'm not seeing any bad comments here about him making the video. In fairness to James, he's doing what he does. He chases after these most luxurious cars and stuff like that, and that's what he does. Yeah, so let's see, is there anybody else we need to cover? I wonder if DD, DD, this will be the last one we'll cover and just see. Oh no, I don't want that one, because I haven't watched that video yet. I have yet to watch it. So he bought these new, he bought the Senna seats for his 720S, for his GTR conversion, and they cost him quite a lot of money. See if there's any. I think they cost him in total the box in total was $30,000, which is quite a lot. Surrounded by blah blah blah. Yeah, GTR. He's going with the NE509. But I guarantee it. Yeah, Mia's been a great addition to the channel. Loved it. The wrap on her Gallardo's come out really nice as well. I'm surprised with the blue. Brake calipers, it actually really does suit the car. It looks pretty sweet. It's Porsche. I really want to see all this channel last week, and I've been watching a lot of your stuff. I some very good positive comments with DD, because they've been doing pretty well as well. So that's it for today, guys. Comments on there again. Get involved. Smash the like button. Comment below. Hit the subscribe button. All that kind of stuff. Life Ahead of Ease podcast. I don't know when I'm going to release it. Maybe sometime during the week. I have no idea. My editor is working on it. I will have a quick video out tomorrow. I am busy tomorrow, so I can't do a full one. But until then, stay safe, peace out, and keep it lit.